Preparing for a payroll interview requires strong knowledge of payroll processes, compliance, and accuracy. These top 20 questions and answers will help you confidently showcase your payroll expertise. 1. What is payroll and why is it important? Payroll is the process of compensating employees for their work, including calculating wages, deductions, and taxes. It's important because it ensures accurate payments, legal compliance, and employee satisfaction. Proper payroll management helps maintain trust between employees and employers, minimizes errors, and prevents penalties from regulatory authorities. Efficient payroll systems contribute significantly to an organization's financial stability and operational success. 2. What are the key components of a payroll system? A payroll system includes components such as employee information, salary structure, attendance data, benefits, bonuses, tax deductions, and compliance reports. It manages gross pay, net pay, and statutory deductions. The system must ensure timely and accurate salary disbursement, maintain records, and comply with government regulations. Automation in payroll systems enhances efficiency, accuracy, and transparency, making it easier to manage multiple employees within an organization effectively. 3. How do you ensure accuracy in payroll processing? Ensuring payroll accuracy requires cross-checking employee data, verifying timesheets, reviewing deductions, and reconcile reports before final payment. Using automated payroll software reduces manual errors. Regular audits and employee feedback also help maintain accuracy. Staying updated with tax laws and organizational policies ensures compliance. Additionally, keeping detailed documentation of all payroll transactions promotes transparency and easy issue resolution. Accuracy builds trust between payroll staff and employees. 4. What are statutory deductions in payroll? Statutory deductions are mandatory withholdings from an employee's salary as required by law. These include income tax, Social Security, health insurance, and pension contributions. The specific deductions depend on the country's legal requirements. Employers are responsible for accurately calculating, withholding, and remitting these deductions to relevant authorities. Understanding these ensures compliance, prevents penalties, and maintains employees' legal and financial protection under government-mandated systems. 5. How do you handle payroll discrepancies or errors? When discrepancies occur, I first investigate the issue by reviewing employee records, pay slips, and system entries. Communication with a concerned employee ensures transparency. Once identified, I correct the error in the next payroll cycle or issue an adjustment if necessary. Preventing future errors involves strengthening data entry checks, using automated tools, and regularly auditing payroll reports. Accuracy and accountability are essential throughout this process. 6. What is the difference between gross pay and net pay? Gross pay is the total salary an employee earns before any deductions, including bonuses or overtime. Net pay is the remaining amount after all deductions like taxes and insurance. Understanding both is vital for payroll accuracy and transparency. Gross pay affects budgeting, while net pay directly impacts employee satisfaction. Payroll staff must clearly communicate these details to employees and ensure proper calculation to maintain financial integrity. 7. How do you maintain confidentiality in payroll? Payroll confidentiality is maintained by restricting access to sensitive information, using password-protected systems, and complying with data protection regulations. Sharing payroll details only with authorized personnel ensures privacy. Storing records securely and encrypting digital data prevents unauthorized use. Training employees on confidentiality protocols and monitoring system activity helps prevent breaches. Maintaining trust and discretion is crucial to protecting both company and employee information. 8. What payroll software have you used before? I have experience using payroll software such as QuickBooks, ADP, Sage, and SAP. These tools automate payroll calculations, tax deductions, and reporting processes efficiently. I appreciate features like direct deposits, compliance alerts, and employee self-service portals. Familiarity with multiple platforms allows me to adapt quickly to new systems and optimize payroll operations. Understanding software functions enhances accuracy, speed, and compliance within the payroll cycle. 9. How do you stay updated with payroll laws and regulations? I stay updated by attending payroll workshops, subscribing to government newsletters, and reading industry updates. Regularly reviewing official tax authority websites ensures compliance with changes. Networking with other payroll professionals and joining professional associations also helps. Continuous learning and staying informed prevent compliance issues, penalties, or miscalculations. Understanding new labor and tax regulations is key to maintaining a legally compliant and efficient payroll process. 10. What is the importance of timekeeping in payroll? Timekeeping ensures employees are paid accurately for hours worked. It tracks attendance over time, and leave balances essential for correct payroll processing. Automated timekeeping systems minimize human errors and help maintain compliance with labor laws. Proper time records also support transparency and accountability, preventing disputes between employers and employees. Integrating timekeeping data with payroll software streamlines processes and improves overall efficiency in salary calculations. 11. How do you manage payroll for remote or international employees? Managing payroll for remote or international employees requires understanding diverse tax laws, currency conversions, and compliance regulations. Using global payroll software simplifies processes and ensures accuracy. I coordinate with local experts to stay updated on country-specific requirements. Ensuring consistent communication with employees about pay and deductions is vital. This approach maintains legal compliance, accuracy, and fairness across different geographical locations within the organization. 12. What steps do you take before finalizing payroll? Before finalizing payroll, I verify employee details, review attendance and overtime data, confirm deductions, and cross-check totals. I reconcile reports to ensure accuracy and compliance. Any discrepancies are corrected before releasing salaries. I also ensure tax submissions and statutory payments are ready for timely filing. Final checks guarantee precision, prevent payroll errors, and ensure employees receive accurate payments promptly, reflecting professionalism and reliability in payroll operations. 13. How do you handle employee payroll queries? When employees raise payroll queries, I respond promptly and professionally. I listen carefully to understand their concern, review relevant data, and explain findings clearly. If an error exists, I correct immediately. Keeping employees informed throughout builds trust. I document recurring issues to prevent future problems. Excellent communication and problem-solving skills are key to maintaining employee confidence and ensuring smooth payroll operations within any organization. 14. What are common payroll reports you generate? Common payroll reports include pay registers, tax liability reports, deduction summaries, attendance records, and compliance filings. These reports help analyze labor costs, monitor compliance, and maintain accurate records. Regularly generating these ensures financial transparency and supports audits. Payroll reports also assist management in budgeting, forecasting, and decision-making. Ensuring accuracy and timeliness of reports is critical for maintaining credibility and regulatory compliance in payroll operations. 15. How do you deal with tight payroll deadlines? To handle tight payroll deadlines, I plan ahead by organizing data early, using checklists, and prioritizing critical tasks. Automated systems help accelerate processing and reduce manual work. I communicate with teams to ensure timely submission of timesheets and approvals. Staying calm under pressure and maintaining focus ensures deadlines are met without errors. Effective time management, organization, and teamwork are essential to consistently delivering accurate payroll results. 16. What is the role of payroll in employee satisfaction? Payroll plays a vital role in employee satisfaction by ensuring accurate, timely, and transparent payments. Errors or delays can affect morale and trust. A reliable payroll process demonstrates organizational efficiency and care for employees. Providing clear pay slips and easy access to payroll information improves confidence. Consistent accuracy, communication, and responsiveness in payroll management contribute directly to employee motivation and overall job satisfaction within the company. 17. How do you handle confidential payroll data breaches? In the event of payroll data breach, I act immediately by securing affected systems, notifying management, and following company protocols. I identify the breach's source and work with IT to prevent recurrence. Informing affected employees transparently is essential. Strengthening data protection measures, updating passwords, and implementing stronger encryption follows. Maintaining trust and compliance with data protection regulations is crucial when handling sensitive payroll information responsibly. 18. What is the difference between payroll and accounting? Payroll involves managing employee compensation, including wages, taxes, and benefits, while accounting focuses on financial reporting and record-keeping for the entire organization. Payroll provides essential data for accounting, such as salary expenses and tax liabilities. Although interconnected, payroll is employee-specific, whereas accounting covers broader financial management. Understanding their relationship ensures accurate financial reporting, legal compliance, and smooth coordination between human resources and finance departments. 19. How do you manage year-end payroll activities? Year-end payroll involves verifying employee records, reconciling tax deductions, issuing tax forms, and preparing compliance reports. I ensure all adjustments are posted before closing the year. Communicating deadlines to employees and reviewing audit reports prevents discrepancies. Maintaining organized records supports future reference and compliance. Timely completion of year-end payroll reflects professionalism, accuracy, and adherence to legal requirements, ensuring a smooth transition into the next fiscal period. 20. What qualities make a successful payroll professional? A successful payroll professional demonstrates accuracy, confidentiality, time management, and strong attention to detail. They understand laws, communicate clearly, and handle pressure effectively. Adaptability and problem-solving skills ensure smooth operations during challenges. Technological proficiency and continuous learning enhance efficiency. Above all, integrity and reliability build trust among employees and management. These qualities ensure consistent, compliant, and professional payroll performance that supports organizational growth and stability. Mastering these payroll interview questions equips you to present your expertise confidently. Preparation, attention to detail, and professionalism will help you secure your next payroll position successfully.